Okay guys, so we have to make the video in 2 parts. And I'm gonna save a new room. Guys, so meet you when we get at sticks. Well, okay, let's just save when we at the stick in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we got stick.
Fine, I'm not touching your head though. Engage the stick, motherfucker.
Stick. Why? Push him! 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 Pushing you to the door! I'm counting you! Push it! Yeah! Yeah, Bonnie! Now it's safe. Bonnie, you're useless. You're useless. Yep, Bonnie. Bonnie, do you want to tag team? Bonnie, do you want...
Go here. It will shatter.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's just kill these guys and we'll be right back after this. Well, come on. Okay, guys, so we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, praise level 7 and round 5, ready level 4. Dang it! Let's get more. Let's get more tokens in. I'm out here. Now he's just going to skip. Toy Friend, Toy Bonnie was victorious, but I don't get anything until I don't get something real. So guys, I'm going to end the video on 9:30 or 9:20. We'll see. And when I'm going to kill this, I'm going to kill him. I need 1,000,000,000 tokens. Oh, no, don't have 1,000,000,000. Guys, I'm gonna stream 5 minutes of F-Boys and Wednesday. Okay, kill it. Oh, don't you hit me or I'll hit you. Yeah, don't you get. Ooh, grab bag. Okay, that's some good cheat. And major child. Oh, there you go. I cannot just go back. I need to. Oh, Bonnie, I need 10. No, need. Wait a minute. Yeah, I do have a. Okay, parts, Bonnie, B, you, and I need 5 more seconds. Stop the goddamn streaming. Actually, this is not a stream. This is a video, not a stream. And again, I cannot do it. You cannot escape until just by no damage. It took a weird attack. But I guess we could do 1 camera now after this battle. Let's do 1 camera. Yeah, let's do 1 camera. But we need a lot of stuff. I mean, a lot of tokens in that. There you go. Don't attack everybody. Come on. We can do this. Toy Bonnie level 6. Thank God. It's about time to kill some free streamer and appeared. Appeared. There's 2 ways in that word. Streamers appear. Yeah. I don't know. Ooh, that's a good hit, Bonnie. Good hit, good. You're like Ducky 2 from Super Mario again. We can do the other one on Friday. That's the last day of school. I don't know what school is. Good, bad for children. I mean, I don't know what I mean. Okay, let's just fight. Ooh, okay. Now we gotta do this. Go here. Get off. Now go here again. Go. Now we got to. Okay. Let's buy. What you? How much you? Okay. Glorious day to you, friend. Okay, thanks. One each. What the hell? I need two. Okay, there we go. Let's go fight the camera. Come on. After this camera will end the episode or something. That else will do. Save. And let's fight. Okay, difficulty easy or very easy, I don't know. Yes. Ooh. And Bonnie, you just do that. Ooh. What the buns? Bonnie started first. Ooh. Bonnie could die on this. Yes. Come on. Why isn't that attack already there? Yeah, our first camera. We did it. And Bonnie almost died. Ooh, a lock. Spirit. What the? Eat my shit. And guys, there's 3 cameras in this room. That camera, this camera here, and fighting. That's all the cameras that are here. Okay, that's not all the cameras. There's some. Get on my face. There's on the stage. There's here, and here. This one on the table.
These presents used to be for good children, but now they're for naughty adults.
They should be on the naughty list then. How much do we got? Let's just. Okay, only friends. Okay, they're good. Yeah. Let's kill one more when we end the episode. Let me just get 5 and one of these. How much is this? 40. Dang it! You wanna wait? Oh, you kidding? Oh, I'm kidding. Come on, we gotta end the episode. And please be. Yes, it's the one. Same what? Oh, there's more than I thought you would be. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh. Ooh, Freddy. That's some bad shit. Ooh, that's good. Come on. Come on. Ooh, Bonnie. Come on, we gotta beat him. Yeesh. We have heals. Guys, heal yourselves. Yes, you're gonna need them. Are you kidding me? Come on. What the heck? That's my favorite play. Did I save, guys? I feel that I didn't save. Well, we need to do a free. Thanks for the intro. Bye.